One such blind man was there. Huh? Real blind. Once he thought of what is the color of the milk. He thought of, how can I know what is the color of the milk? So he asked one of his trusted persons, oh my brother, can you tell me what is the color of the milk? He said, yes, it is plain, it is plain. What is that? What is plain? Oh, it is like crane. Baka. Crane, it is like crane. Crane? What is that? Then his friend raised the upper portion of his hand like this, and this portion made it bent like this, and held before him. He just tossed. Blind man. He kept himself 1 minute mum. I understood. I'll never drink milk in my life, it will stick into my throat. He understood in this way the color of the milk. Black man. So those who are very puffed up, the false ego is very great. Great scholars, pundits, puffed up fellows, those who are running after name, fame, prestige, they are blind. Modandho. They are modandho, blind. They try to see Lord or understand Lord, understand the mysterious reality of the Lord through their material scholarship, learning, merit, intelligence, mental power or speculation. Their understanding of the Lord is like that of the blind man's understanding the color of the